You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hey there, everyone. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired. And I'm excited today. I got my little happy fingers going. I'm really excited. Why? Because it's Christmas. Okay, it's not really Christmas, but it's product launch day for Cricut. So for us Cricut people, it's like Christmas morning because there is a whole slew of new products released. I can't wait to share these with you guys. There's so many different things. Are you guys ready for what new product I'm going to use? I know Melody is up there in heaven rejoicing because she would absolutely love this product because Cricut had not made it previously, but she would use this. She would love this style and would do this on some of her videos and cards. So I know she's absolutely over the moon, and so am I. Get your little inner artist ready. Actually, get your inner Bob Ross ready, guys, because... Are you ready for this? Dun, 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 dun. Watercolor marker and brush set. Watercolors. Like, that's why I said get your inner Bob Ross ready to paint. How cool is this going to be? So this is the Cricut Joy. Also comes for the Explorer and Maker. Let me go ahead and show you. Here is mine out of the box. So you're going to get all the colors of the rainbow here. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and the brown and the black. And then you get this one here. This is where the magic happens. So this is empty when you get it. All you do is you fill it with regular water, and then you put the markers in the machine. The machine is going to draw the design, and when you take it out, you go ahead and become a little artist with your little magic water wand here. I like that. Magic water wand. That's what I'm going to call it. My water wand. So, and then you can go ahead and bring those designs to life with color. Just wait till you see how it turns out. So fun, so pretty. Absolutely love these. So for those watercolor markers, guys, you're going to use watercolor cards. Yes. So we have 4 sizes available in this. We have the R40 and the S40. And then for our Cricut Joy users, we have the R20 and the S20. So these are specially designed to use with the markers, and that's going to make it all come to life. Okay guys, let's get started with this project. I'm so excited. So for this project, I'm using my maker, and I'm going to use the S40 card size. First thing you're going to want to do in designing is choose your item and then hit add to canvas there. Now I like to duplicate, so I have an extra complete one. And then once I have that, I'm going to go down in the bottom right hand corner and contour it. Now this is going to allow me to take out of the image what I don't want. I want to take these little stems, berries, whatever they may be, sticking off the flower buds. That's probably what they are. So I'm just going through and I'm clicking on each one as it highlights. So sometimes it's right on the item, sometimes it's close to it. So I'm just going to hover around, and then I'm going to go ahead and click these to hide these because I don't want these on my image here. All right, and now I'm going to check my image, and that's perfect. That's exactly what I want because I want to make these all one color. I want these to be green. That's the reason I'm going to contour all these, is so I can change the colors of them. So if I go to my markers and I scroll down to the bottom, you will now see that there's watercolor options for your markers. So I went ahead and chose green there. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour this one also. Sped that up a little. I'm not really that fast. And this, I want just this flower this color. So contour it out, and then I'm going to choose, I think I'm going to make this one, let's go with orange on this one. And there we go. That is my finished project. So I just took the different pictures, the other one's a peony, and contoured them out. Now it is time to cut our card. So for this, we're going to use the Cricut 2x2 card mat. So I'm going to go ahead and choose on card mat. And then on my left over here, you can see it is showing the S40 card size. That is the card size I am in fact using, so I don't have to change that. But if you are using a different one, you will want to choose the selected card. Now to choose your material, you will see when you type in watercolor that there is now a watercolor card to choose from. So go ahead and click on watercolor and then hit done. And then something that's very important with this, you see the little exclamation point there. It wants you to be aware to move the star wheels to the center of the rail, making sure all aligned with the middle column on the card mat. So you'll see me do it before we start, but I move all 4 of the white star wheels to the middle, so they will go down the middle of the mat. And here I am moving the wheels over to the middle. Now I'm going to check that again once I get my card mat out because I want to make sure those are going to roll down the middle column on the card mat. Now it's time to put our card on the card mat. So when we look at our card mat, you can see along there on the right of each box, there's a 10, 20, 30, and a 40. Now we're doing the S40, so I know when I tuck this card in that it should go all the way over to the 40. So we're gonna go ahead and put the card at the top. We're gonna push it up to the top as far as it can go, and then all the way in to where the card folds. And then you're gonna bend the card over and smooth it down to adhere it to the mat. Now, once you choose to start cutting, it's going to go ahead and tell you what color marker to put in A. It'll also tell you what color is coming up next in case you want to get those ready. So you will never unload the mat here during each one. All you're going to do is it's going to use the color, and then it's going to pause, and it's going to tell you to change to a different color. With that, don't hit stop. Do not eject the mat. It's just going to keep going from color to color until it's finished. Now it's time for the green color. Now let's go ahead and speed some things up. Now that it has finished drawing, it is letting me it's finished. It's got the flashing arrow to let me know to unload it. So I'm going to unload it there, and I'm going to go ahead and use my Cricut scraper to go ahead and loosen the card from the mat. And there it is, guys. It has drawn the card. So that is step 1. And then step 2, we're going to use what I've now dubbed, the magic water wand, to go ahead and color this and bring it to life. So as you see here, I'm just unscrewing it, and I'm showing you that's where you unscrew it. All you're going to put in there is water. That is all the water wand needs. Now when you do this, you're going to want to make sure that you have a scrap paper next to you. I always keep this for when I'm starting a new pen, or for in this case, you want to wipe off the excess water. You're also going to want to wipe the excess between different colors. And I will say start with the lightest color. So here I'm starting with yellow. Now before I move on to that next color, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the excess off. It's got yellow, you'll see some yellow, whatever color you're using, you'll see some in the brush. So that's why I like to go ahead and wipe that off. And now I'm going to move on to my green color. And here I'm just actually like so lightly pulling it over each little leaf. I'm literally barely touching the surface for this. I'm gonna go ahead and go over my purple flower here, and I did wipe it off in between before going to the purple. I'm just gonna ever so lightly drag it across the lines going around. You can also take and pull up on it too. Instead of I'm kind of outlining it with it, you can take and just pull up from each too, which gives it a cool effect. Okay, now I finished outlining it. And if you love it just like that, you can leave it like that. You don't have to go any further. Now I want to go ahead and pull that color throughout. So I'm just going to go ahead here and I am lightly, barely touching the surface here and just pulling up over it to pull that color throughout the petals. I didn't have to squeeze my brush at all to get more water doing this, but if I did, I would just squeeze a little and then make sure you dab off the excess you have on your paper next to you. But it really doesn't take much at all. Now, when I looked at it, I decided I wanted to soften the outline line I did, so I'm literally just going along the outline line and I'm just pulling out, kind of towards the center. All right, isn't that pretty, guys? Look at the colors of that. And you could play with different colors too and put multiple colors on there and blend them. Like I played with the red and the yellow and then it turns orange. Beautiful. Wasn't that fun? I am literally in love with this. Just think what all you can do. So many different methods. Doesn't that look so cool? It drew the marker. I love the shading. And you can even have your kids have the machine make a card and give your kids that water pen and have them do a card. It's going to be beautiful, touching, and it's best free really because it's just water. Can you imagine? They'll have fun with it. You'll have fun with it. I am in love with these watercolor markers for sure. What do you think, Cutie? Cutie likes them too. I agree. So fun. And as I said at the beginning, I'm going to share a couple more, just a few, not all of them, because there's a whole box full. One is going to be, are you ready? Dun, 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 dun. Glitter gel pens, guys. Glitter. I know what you're thinking. Cricut already has glitter gel pens. They did. But they reformulated them. These write like butter. These new ones, though, when I wrote with these, I was like, applause, 5 stars. I'm so excited because if you know me, you know I love anything sparkly and glittery, and these give you that precision. You don't have to put it through again. There was no writing twice on it. It was one time, and it was butter. So great job on reformulating these Cricut. As you've seen, those were available for the Joy, and they also come for the Explore and Maker. Here is, so you can see the different colors here. They come in the full colors of the rainbow, and then there's actually 2 shades of blue in there, a darker blue and a lighter blue, and then we also get brown and black. So we're going to use those on a project. Another new item that I'm also going to be using on this project. Well, I'm doing 2 separate projects, but one will be used in each project. This is opaque gel pens. Yay! Do you guys see? Do you see this? Do you see this white? White. That writes on dark. Wait till you see how these turn out. These turn out so stinking good. Show up right away. Very bright. Absolutely in love with this. Not only does it come in the Explore Maker, but it also comes in the Joy. So you can get them in the Joy also. Back to the glitter gel pens. That is also available in the Joy. As you can see here, this is 3 different colors. So these are like what I would consider highlighter colors. So it's got like the highlighter pink. Call that fluorescent pink? Neon. There we go. Not fluorescent. Neon colors. Neon pink, neon orange, and neon yellow. Look at these pretties. Yes, they're not only melody colors, but these are the new permanent smart vinyl matte for the Cricut Joy. And it doesn't come just in these 2 colors. There's a whole slew of colors up there. So if you have the Cricut Joy, get these matte colors. Love them. All right, now where's my label makers at? So we now have smart labels available in white and black. Go ahead and get to labeling. I'm gonna go to work on my pantry with these. I mean, I'm not gonna say that they're gonna actually put them where they go. Even if I put the thing with the label, they're gonna just probably set it next to it, but I'll feel organized about it. And that's not the only labels, because we have new labels for the Cricut Joy, guys. And these are not round. These come flat, which is awesome. because they don't get the bend in them, and there's less smearing on these. And these also come in black and white. And another one I want to share with you, and this is one of my favorites too. I know a lot of you guys have been asking for this, and I think it's the perfect time of year to release this. Are you ready? You probably won't even know by looking. Some vinyl, and we have some iron on. Do you guys see what it says on there, what it is? Glow in the dark! I know, right? Glow in the dark iron-on and vinyl. I use this on a project that'll be coming up soon. You gotta see the results. This stuff is awesome. And this glow in the dark lasts 2 times longer than the competitors too. You guys got glow parties coming up? We got you covered. This glow stuff is awesome. Get those Halloween trick-or-treat bags done, because that's an awesome idea to do with it. You can even make a costume. Think, you can make your kid a skeleton shirt that glows in the dark. You'll see me use them in a project. I make a 'Tis the Season to Be Spooky shirt, because I love Halloween. Isn't that exciting though? I know a lot of you guys have been asking for this. Always thank you guys for joining us. It's always appreciated. Go ahead and give us a like and a subscribe. The links are below. That way you can go ahead and purchase the new products. Thank you for using our affiliate links. We always appreciate that. And also in the video description below is the entry for our Melody Lane monthly giveaway. So we do a giveaway every month, and this month we are giving away 10 winners are each going to win $50 to spend at CRICUT.com. So go ahead and make sure to enter. It'll tell you the steps below. First, you're just going to comment on this video, enter me in Melody Lane giveaway, and then you will click the link that takes you to Rafflecopter, and Rafflecopter will randomly choose the winner at the end of the giveaway. So good luck to you all. And if you win, that would be awesome, because you can go buy new stuff, brand new stuff. Go get you some glow-in-the-dark iron-on, get to crafting. But is it not like Christmas? Wasn't that fun? I had fun. I'm telling you, it was like Christmas morning opening that box, and you're like, ooh, it's all new, and it's fun. And they did a really good job with it. Thanks, everyone. Goodbye. Happy crafting, and have a craftastic rest of your week. And from Alex, toodles. Bye, guys.